I mean, if we do end up taking the beds here, you need to know where we got the beds from. So I'll show you this place before Siambe if we end up taking the beds here.
Baby, so pull up a clump cheat, haven't I?
We end up taking the beds. Yeah, so this is our receipt, and we got transport, so we're gonna go and have them dropped off at the house now. So that is very nice. So yeah, beds are bought. Yala and Kude is gonna sleep on a bed. Can you see the bed? Can you see your bed? There's your bed. Yes, you're gonna sleep on your own bed now. Sana, bebelala phezu kwe inflatable bed, like you know the beds that you blow up. So it was a mission every day. It's making that noise because we have to pump it. We've got an electric pump. We were actually using a balloon pump, but that's another story. And so every day and twice a day. And it was our second inflatable bed because they jump on it and then the air goes out and you have to patch it and hey sana but now finally we got the beds, so we're happy. Bora, how do you feel about the bed? Huh? Are you happy? You happy? You're gonna sleep on a bed now? Yes. You're gonna sleep on your own bed. Bye bye. No more karma, Anne. No jump on the bed, Kode. No jumping on the bed. Ne, kannst du gerne. Masam, Ben, get back to the car, so take her up. Masam. No. A bit to Nana. CS has fumana ke ibedi yabantwana. So that hurdle is now over. Now we need to get a hold of some bedding. And yeah. Then the kids' bedding is done. Masam, Ben, yeah. Lulu, are you gonna sleep on your own bed? You're gonna sleep on your own bed now? Hello. You're gonna sleep on your own bed now, Papa? Anne Lulu? Okay. 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 And I'm done. Lulu boy. Hello. Hello. Hello, good. I mean, hello, Lulu. Hello, Dad. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. No, no. Ay, 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 ay. Although a little bit in your kid. Also, I'm by his lolly lemon. In his own bed. In his own bed. Lulu's got his own bed. Yeah. Good night, Yella. Good night, sis. Good night. Good night, Goody. Good night, Lulu. Good night, Lulu. Good night. Hmm? Yella, are you happy with your bed? Are you happy with your bed? Are you happy with your bed? Oh, you happy in your bed, Anne?
Sure.
Sure. Good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Nan.
Mommy.
Hmm? Good night.
Night.
Good night, Madam. Morning. Hello, Kude. Kude, only one who did a poo-poo. Okay. No more tamane? Okay, I'm done.
Make lights.
Lights, ane? No more tamane?
Make coconut.
Well done, Yala. Yala didn't tama.
Make coconut.
Cocoa melon. Okay. You can watch Cocoa Melon and then we're gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna prepare the kids some more white porridge just so that they can have something in their tummies while we get ready to go to get breakfast. And also, the kids don't eat takeouts very well. Yeah, they nibble on it, but I like to make sure that they have something solid in their stomach, like a porridge base, before we go out and buy like takeouts.
Oh, something smells good! Oh, okay. Did you see the sauce?
The sauce?
Mm.
Yes, I saw this. And Nina, we're gonna have a washing machine? Okay.
Mami.
Is the order restored? Yes, Anna.
That's it.